डिजिटल क्रांति से जुड़ी हुई है। रिलायंस जियो 4G लॉन्च करने जा रहा है। जियो अनलिमिटेड HD वीडियो और डेटा देगा।
Reliance family, Jio. Let me begin my words with a dedication. In the journey of time, there come a few life-changing movements. Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi's inspiring vision of a digital India is one such movement. Jio is dedicated to realizing our Prime Minister's vision for 1.2 billion Indians. Jio will give the power of data to each Indian to fulfill every dream and to collectively take India to global digital leadership. With these words, I want to dedicate the commencement of Jio to the digital India vision of our Prime Minister, to my fellow 1.2 billion Indians and India. Esteemed share owners, why did we call our venture Jio? Why is our motto Jio Digital Life? Permit me to articulate the philosophy that has given birth to Jio. The world is at the beginning of a digital revolution. Anything and everything that can go digital is going digital at an exponential rate, faster than what you and I can imagine. Whether it is manufacturing, commerce, healthcare, education, entertainment, life is going digital. Through the ages, information and knowledge have driven humanity's progress. When you put the power of data connectivity, computing, software, and information together, the price performance of everything changes drastically. Everything gets disrupted. I believe in the next 20 years, as a human civilization, we will collectively achieve more than what has been achieved in the last 300 years. We are at the beginning of a new era of humanity. In this era, if you are not digital and if you don't have globally competitive digital tools and skills, you simply will not survive. You will get disrupted. You will be outcompeted. You will be left behind. You will become irrelevant. India and Indians cannot afford to be left behind. Today, India is ranked 155th in the world for mobile broadband internet access out of 230 countries. Jio is conceived to change this. I have no doubt that with the launch of Jio, India's rank will go up to among the top 10 in the world. $1.2 billion Indians cannot be left behind as the world enters a new era. We have the youngest population in the world. Give them affordable digital tools. Give them the skills. Give them the environment that brings you the very best across categories of media, entertainment, money, and essential utilities. With Jio TV, any time is prime time. You can watch more than 300 live TV channels with access to all of last week's program at any point in time. So if you are late and you have missed your favorite serial, you can, at 11 o'clock in the night, watch the program at 8:30 just by moving your screen. Jio Cinema brings the cinema theater at your fingertips. Watch HD movies from a library of over 6,000 movies, more than 60,000 music videos, and over 1 lakh episodes of television in all 10 languages. The Jio Music app makes Ultra HD music a reality with a library of 10 million songs in over 10 languages. Jio magazines and Jio newspapers give access to thousands of latest magazine and your daily newspaper digitally. Jio Money is your personal wallet that allows you to go cashless. I believe that these apps will really showcase the capability of Jio's powerful network and create a magical experience of Jio digital life for customers. With this in mind, I am today pleased to announce that the Jio apps bouquet, which is worth rupees 15,000 for an annual subscription, will be available complimentary, completely free for all active Jio customers all the way right up to the end of next year, that is up to December 31st, 2017.